So my name is Simon Thornley. 14 years ago, with a colleague, I set up a classic car restoration business called Thornley Kelham. Basically, our motto is the design, the details, and the drive. It has to be the Silver Ghost. It has to be the Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost. You know, such an important car, hidden away for all those years. You know, the car that coined the phrase Silver Ghost for Rolls-Royce. I think if you really want to do anything well in life, you have to have a passion for it. And if you have a passion for it, you're going to enjoy it. And then you put the detail and the planning and the time into doing it properly. It's manual every time. Analog, manual. The joy of cars is the fact that they're living mechanical things. You want something that you are interacting with and you can feel a part of. You can't get that with automatic or pre-anything. You've got to be a part of it.